Hello everyone, welcome to part 7 of Advanced Ecom series in Laravel 6. In this video, we are going to work on admin login and logout functionality with guards. Okay, so let's start working on this video. First of all, we are going to update admin_login.blade file. Okay, so for that, we are going to open admin login blade file. Okay, so we are going to correct the form here. We will make its action. We are going to add CSRF token, and we are going to add the IDs for email and password. Okay, so those things we are going to do. See, we are already having that login function for admin panel. See here that we are already having admin login, this login function, and we are already having this route. See here we are having here admin route. We are having here it is, here this is the admin route. Okay, so it is going to /admin is coming from here. You can see that it is /admin. This is the route we are using for get and post for both. Okay, so far we have used it for get. You can see we have used this route for get only so far, but now we are going to use this for post as well. Okay, we have already given get and post, so now we are going to use this route with login function. And you can see here, don't confuse yourself, like sometimes I also get confused. See this, we have prefix admin with all the routes in this group, in this complete group, so this one will come as /admin. Okay, it is not only slash, it is /admin, and here also it is /admin/dashboard. Okay, so admin is prefixed with all the routes. So here we can see that this is /admin is the home page of admin login. Okay, so let's start. Here first of all we are going to correct the form. Okay, here I am going to mention the URL is now /admin, that is the admin login URL. Okay, so I am going to add the ID for name for email. Okay, ID also we can add, that is required for the validation purpose later on. Okay, so we can add ID as well, and here we are going to add name, though we are going to do Laravel validations in upcoming video, but we can add ID as well. Even if it is not required, you can add ID, because sometimes we can require it as well. Okay, so now we have added name and ID for both email and password. So now this remember me also we will do later on. And now it is ready, this form is ready, but we require CSRF token, and we can add CSRF like this in Laravel 6, add the rate of CSRF. Okay, so after that we will come to update login function in AdminController file, and here we are going to update login function. Okay, so we are going to add here, first of all we will add here request. Okay, so because we are posting data and that we need to receive here in post method, so we will add the condition here, if $request, see whatever data we will post, we will accept the data here is method post. It will come here, and we are going to accept the data in $data $request all. You can also give input instead of all, and we are going to print this first of all. Okay, now we are going to post the data in this form. I'm going to post the data like I'm going to add this one, admin_admin 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, so I'm going to sign in. You can see here that it is coming as admin@admin.com, and password is 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, so you can see that we able to post the data with the help of this admin login form. Okay, so now it is the time to add this data, to insert, to sorry, to check this data in admins table, not to insert but to check this data in admins table. And we are going to check it with guard. Okay, so because we are using guard here for admin, so instead of auth we are going to use auth guard. Okay, instead of using default Laravel auth we are going to use auth guard. So let's work on that thing. See here we are going to update. Here in auth guard, see the difference here. Here in auth guard we are going to use it like this, auth guard. Okay, and in guard we are going to use admin. This is the auth guard admin. Okay, and we need to use here attempt, and here then password, and that thing will come. So this one will come in if condition. See, I just want to tell you that we need to check in the same way like in basic auth login. We just use it like this, auth attempt. We just use auth attempt, and here user and password comes. We used to check username and password with the help of this auth attempt, and that is the Laravel built-in function for auth. And here the difference is only this one, that we are attaching guard with auth, and guard we are using for admin, and this is the code. Okay, so this is the only difference. And if you will see the basic ecom series, there we have created that default auth. I am going to show you basic ecom series. I think this will not work. We need to add from here. See, in basic ecom series I am going to open the users controller, and here, see here, this is the auth attempt. This is the simple auth attempt. In basic ecom series we have used auth attempt. Okay, auth attempt with email and password. See, if email and password is correct with auth attempt, then it will log in, otherwise it will not log in, otherwise it will give password. In the same way we are going to use guard. Okay, so only thing we need to mention here, auth guard, and that guard is for admin. Okay, that thing we need to mention. I hope it is very much clear now. See here, auth guard, and with guard we are going to use with admin guard. Okay, so we are going to mention here admin. Okay, we have already done these settings for the guard. We have seen that we have done the settings for the guard. So so otherwise it is working. Okay, so auth guard admin will come here, and after that attempt, okay, we are going to attempt with the password, username and password, sorry, email and password that the user typed from the login form. Here whatever, like this one is the email and this one is the password, we are going to check in admin logins db. Here in admins table we are going to check. Okay, so here I am going to check first of all email. Okay, so I'm going to put this one, this condition in if. Okay, if I'm going to put it like this, and here I am going to end it like this. Okay, and this is the if condition. Okay, so here I am going to mention first of all email, data email. We are already getting email, you can see email and password also. Data password. Okay, now it seems to be fine. return redirect admin dashboard. Okay, so if the username and password is correct, then we will return the user to admin dashboard, else we will show the error message. We are going to show the error message in the admin login page. We will redirect back the user. See, we will redirect back. First of all, we will redirect back the user, return redirect back. See, first of all, we will check like this. Here I'm going to see Control Shift R send. See, we need to add here auth, use auth in the beginning. Okay, so don't miss it, use auth. And I'm going to see username and password is correct, so user is able to log into the dashboard page. We reach dashboard page. Okay, so now we need to add the login button here so that we can able to logout button here. We need to add here logout link, in fact. So we want here logout link because if in case admin want to log out, then admin can able to log out from that link. And after logout, we need to destroy that guard, admin guard, we need to destroy. Okay, so that thing also we are going to do, and we are going to remove the unwanted things from this page. Not all the things are required, only these main things are required. And here home button, home link is required, and other things are not required. We will keep on adding these things later on. Okay, so I'm going to update that admin header bit file. See, I'm going to keep just home, and this one I'm going to add the URL for dashboard. So here I'm going to add the URL for the dashboard. Okay, so we will give here admin dashboard. This is the link. We will check once. Dashboard, that is fine. Okay, and contact link we can remove, we not required right now. And search form also we not required, so we can remove. Right now bar is fine. I'm going to do like this. See, all unwanted code we will remove from admin header that are not required. We're going to remove all this unwanted code, and here we are going to make this link as logout link. Okay, I'm going to remove all these, and here I'm going to add logout link. Okay, so now it is fine. Admin logout. Okay, so here logout will come like this. Okay, so now we will check once again that here unwanted code has been removed. You can see logout has come up, and this one we still not this one able to save or not. Okay, so this is the middle area that we will remove later on, but we have updated that admin header. All the things have been removed, just home we required here, so that the person will click on this home and will reach on admin dashboard once again. So we'll check once that why it is not working. See admin dashboard, and here what is happening here, admin dashboard must come here. Admin dashboard spelling are incorrect, so that's why now it is fine. Okay, So we'll go back. Now it is fine. Okay, so logout link we have also given, but we need to create its route first of all. Okay, route. Here we will create its route, and we will straight away create here, and we can give some spaces as well because it is not that much clear. Okay, so this one we also given here for dashboard. It's in admin middleware. Okay, but we are going to keep it here only, logout. Okay, so we can keep it logout here. Okay, after dashboard we are going to add it here. So only get is required for logout as well, so we can just give here logout because admin is already prefixed, so it will come automatically. And here also I'm going to give logout. Okay, so logout function we are going to create in admin controller. Here public function logout, like this. And here we need to log out, that is the simple script. There is auth guard, we are using auth guard, not auth. Okay, auth guard and guard we are using for admin. There can be different guards. Okay, you can use guard for admin, you can use guard for user, you can use guard for some other like employee. Okay, whatever you are using in your website. Okay, so there are multiple guards, so that's why we are using the guard name as admin here. Okay, so otherwise we use auth for default auth. In Laravel we just use auth. Okay, so now we just require here to add logout like this. This is the keyword of Laravel function, built-in function of Laravel. We can just do it, and after that we will redirect the user to the admin home page. Okay, admin login page in fact. Okay, here we will just give it like this, and that is fine. Over. Okay, so now we can try. I'm going to click on this logout, and you can see user that admin has able to log out from the admin panel. Okay, so now this time I'm going to use the wrong password. I will just use some unknown email and unknown password. Then you can see that we're not able to log in because we have given the incorrect username and password. But we want here some display that we want that some error message will come if the user by mistake adds a wrong username or password. Okay, so for that I am going to add some kind of error message. I will check in Google. You will find it many error alert box that we will use here. So I'm going to search in Google, like I'm going to search the keyword like error message alert. See, alert bootstrap, this one. So you are going to get this getbootstrap.com website. Okay, here I'm going to check, see these are the scripts. Okay, you can also see in video description I have given this link here there as well. Okay, so I'm going to use such kind of script. This looks fine. Okay, so I'm going to use such kind of script here. This is the script they have given, so I'm going to use this one in admin login blade file. And here I am going to use this script before login we can use it. Okay, so here we can use, I'm going to correct it. Okay, so here I'm going to add that condition also, and that is that if error message is there, then we are going to see this alert box. Okay, but first of all we need to pass the error message here, return redirect back. Here see here, if auth guard attempt pass, then it is going to admin dashboard. Otherwise if it is fail, then it is going to redirect back, then it is going to admin login. Okay, so here I am going to pass the error message here. So we just require here session flash. Okay, so I'm going to use that session flash Flash is the keyword for session that is available in Laravel. Here I am going to give error message, and error message we're going to be invalid email or password, like this. Fine, invalid email or password. Okay, so I am going to use this error message, and but here we need to add here use session. I'm going to add here use session because we are now using session for error message. And now I will here pass the error message here. So I'm going to add the condition like if session has error message that we have used, error underscore message, only then this div will display, and if okay, otherwise it will not display. So I'm going to remove this one and going to add here the error message. Yeah, we can also do one more thing. Okay, no issue. I'm going to add here that session get error message. Okay, so now it is fine, and now we are going to check that error message displaying, but here we will show here in danger in place of warning. Okay, so now I'm going to check. Now it must show the error message. I'm going to use incorrect username and password, and we'll see here. You can see the error message is coming here. Okay, you can see invalid email or password here, and this one is close button is also there. You can close it like this, so it is displaying very correctly here. Okay, so if you will enter the correct email and password, then it is going to work. Okay, admin@admin.com with password 123456 123456. You can try again, and you able to log in, and when you click on logout button, then you able to log out from the admin panel. Okay, so I hope that everything is clear to you up till now. You can able to do that admin login and logout functionality at your end as well with guard, with admin with auth guard, and that guard is for admin. Okay, that thing we have seen that we can use multiple guard as well, but right now we are going to use the single guard, and this is the concept of multiple authentication, where we are going to use default auth as the main authentication, and we are using auth guards as the secondary authentication. Okay, so this thing you can try. If you have any queries, then you can surely contact me in video description. Okay, there you can simply comment and ask your query, but try once at your end. After that you can surely ask me. Okay, and do subscribe my channel, stack developers channel, and share it with your friends. If you have not shared it yet, then do share. Okay, so that's all for now. Have a nice time. Goodbye.